Well, thank you very much for joining Super 24 TV. Finally, game number yeah, the Barbara Sports Stadium. Kumasi Asante Kotoko, I prevail over Accra Suffolk. The Ghana Premier League encounter, second leg. Asante Kotoko 1, Accra Suffolk 0. Kind Ketesi Mbella, Asante Kotoko forward, Etoga Mbella, and share the only goal for the game. Now, here are the four things we learned in the game. Number one, the first of all, Kotoko winning this match. What it means, they say, Asante Kotoko. Yeah, Super 24 TV there. Yeah, call it the league off. Now, yeah, the title winners, now Asante Kotoko. Kotoko, before this game, we're having 49 points. After the game, I jump here, I'm 52 points. Yes, so we are calling the league Asante Kotoko a winning league. Yeah, the league name Asante Kotoko. That's the first major thing we've learned. Yes, in the game. That's the penalty decision. I don't know how you take. You can come up with your views in the comment section. Yeah. Now, the second thing we learned through the game, especially in the second half, Asante Kotoko was able to hold Accra Suffolk quite well. Asante Kotoko, there with a game plan on the buy, because has the pressure. Second half has through all the Arsenals, the likes of Inkum, Inkum, Aboetia, House of Folk, and Osabotia, the former club, Asante Kotoko. But through the thick and the hardness and the heat, Anna Accra Suffolk at the Banyano. Na Kotoko was able to hold the pressure, and the one or they were 90 minutes more game in the bay we are rain. And the third major point especially in the game, is about Kotoko's forward and Bella when the penalty came. Kumasi Asante Kotoko near Accra Suffolk games and your games in Kitwa. But Mbella was bold enough to go and pick the ball and went straight and hit a ball at the back of the net of Accra Suffolk. It tells you the player was building the confidence. On the first time I will league but with me and your confidence ne ball Accra Suffolk ne Kotoko game with that much confidence. Mbella is outstanding for us, and for us here, we are going to give the man of the match to him for stepping up, even though it's a Fabio there to have earned that challenge now. You try and map penalty in the band. And the last one we can say in the game, I commend you, especially the Kumasi media, the traditional media, everyone, Kotoko management, the circles leadership, attendance no bad or Barbara Sports Stadium over here. It wasn't up to the Blasters game, but still na nipa no back Accra previous to games are near who say Barbara. Come up with your views and comments in the comment section.